Good afternoon, participants. I welcome all of you for this teleconferencing session. In fact, this session is devoted for BCom students. Either you have joined the IGNOU or you are planning to join IGNOU. In fact, what we are planning here, or what happens whenever you are planning to join IGNOU or you have joined IGNOU, several questions come into your mind. For example, you must be thinking that how to select a course for this BCom program, because the dimension of IGNOU courses, the numbers of IGNOU courses may be quite flexible than that of the other university courses. So here you can opt for from the science area, from the arts area, or from any other area which has been prescribed in your program guide. So the first thing comes into your mind, how to select a particular course. Second thing, you may be thinking that how to go through the course, how to read it, what are the features of the distance education or self-instruction learning material. So you must be thinking that what modalities you are going to follow and what are the features of that self-instruction material. Next, you must be thinking how to go for the counseling sessions and what are the prerequisites you are supposed to carry out, you are supposed to do before joining counseling session. Next, you must be thinking how to attempt to the assignments, because again it is an art to write the assignments. If you write in a proper way, you may fetch very good marks. Then you must be thinking how to go for the term and examinations, how to take benefit from the student support services of IGNOU, so on and so forth. In order to answer all these queries, in order to discuss all these areas, we have Dr. M.S.S. Raju, faculty member, School of Management Studies, IGNOU. We are going to discuss this thing for the 45 minutes, and I would like to request you that if you have any queries, any questions, any doubt regarding study materials, regarding these assignments, counseling, etc., you are most welcome to ask questions to us, and we will be happy to respond your answer in that perspective. So you are most welcome to ask these things to us. So now I would like to request Dr. Raju to elaborate these issues which I told you earlier. Dr. Raju.
Good afternoon to all of you and welcome to this session. Thank you, Dr. Naval Kishore, for your brief introduction about the program. All of you know the university is providing a program guide. This is the program guide. See, whatever the queries raise in your mind, this program guide will answer for all your queries. So you should keep this program guide till completion of your program, and time to time you must consult the program guide to answer your problems, your queries. Here, this induction program for BCom, it is divided into 5 chapters. Please show the slide. 5 chapters. The first chapter is Silent Futures for BCom program. Second chapter, BCom program structure. Third chapter, Scheme of Study. Fourth chapter, Important Points for Computer Courses. Fifth, Schedule of Term and Examination and Evaluation System. Sixth, General Information regarding the program. Here, in the first chapter, Silent Features of BCom program. So this BCom program, as rightly said now, Dr. Naval, you have lot of flexibility, not only in selection of the courses, even selection of the pattern of the courses. So the silent features of the BCom program are: number 1, relaxed entry. There is no age restriction, age bar. One should attain 18 years, they are eligible. And there is no need of 10+2 formal qualification. The persons candidates, those who are not having 10+2 formal qualification, they are also eligible to enter into the BCom program, but they have to complete the BPP course. After passing the BPP course, then they can enter into BCom program. Next, study at your own place and at your own pace. What does it mean? You need not attend any counseling classes. That is not compulsory, but we suggest you to attend the counseling classes to attain more knowledge and to solve your problems, to meet your peer group, to discuss about the subject and about the problems which you face while you study the material. You can study at your own place and at your own pace also, because this program duration is minimum 3 years and maximum 6 years. So within the 6 years you can complete the program. There is no difference between the persons, those who have completed within 3 years and those who are going to be complete within 6 years. The university will not distinguish in any manner relating the persons, those who have completed within minimum period or maximum period. So you can complete according to your own convenience. This is another feature of this program. And innovative and flexible course structure. What does it mean, innovative and flexible course structure? This is number one, cost effective. As you know, the fee for BCom program for all activities, you have to pay 1,300 rupees per annum. So for 3 years you have to pay 3,900 rupees. For this you will get study material, you will get the support services, that is you will get counseling classes, you have to visit the library, and you need not pay term and examination fee if you pay within the prescribed time. So for all activities you have to spend 3,900 rupees. In monetary terms, it is cost effective program. This is one of the major innovative and flexible features. Then basic knowledge on core areas, and also you can acquire the knowledge on application and professional oriented courses. This is another innovative. Then next, opportunity to develop computer skills. The university provides BCom students to select 2 computer courses. This is optional for you. You may select or you may not select. We will discuss about these computer courses. If you select, what are the logistics, we will discuss later. And continuous assignment. This is the part of the university whole activity. This is the activity of the university across all the programs. Continuous evaluation through assignments. You have to complete 1 assignment in each course, and you can interact with your counselor through the assignments. You can write the assignment, counselor will evaluate the assignment, and you will get the feedback. Based on the feedback, you can improve your further study. Then credit transfer. This is also an important feature, not only for BCom, for all programs. For example, in credit transfer, for example, if you have joined in any university, in conventional university or in any open and distance institution, so while completing your study, due to certain circumstances, you may drop your study and you joined somewhere and you discontinued. If you want to join in IGNOU, you can join whatever the courses you have passed in other institutions. The university will give that credit exemption to you. We will discuss those rules and regulations and procedure later on in this session. And two-way communication. See, university will not leave you after dispatching the study material. University always with you to provide all kinds of support services. You will be assigned a study center. You can interact with the counselors. You have radio counseling sessions, teleconferencing sessions. You can interact with the experts. You can interact with the teachers, those who are available at the headquarters, and sometimes you can also interact with the outside experts also. This is two-way communication. And also you will have administrative support, complete administrative support. Whenever you feel any query regarding material, regarding assignment, regarding your examination, regarding your mark sheet, there are various divisions in the university. Time to time they will attend your problem and they try to solve the problem at the earliest. These are the silent features of the BCom program. Next, the second chapter covers BCom program structure. If you see the this BCom program structure, no doubt the numbers will confuse you. It is very simple. If you try to understand, it is very simple. You see, to get the BCom certificate, one has to earn these 96 credits. University follows the credit system. You may ask the doubt, what is credit? University follows the